or also known as KRK, in connection with the shooting incident that took place in Oshiwara, India, Mumbai a few days back. What is being reported on the 18th of January. Now, officials recovered 2 bullet rounds as well from 2 different floors of a residential building, and the police will be presenting Kamal Khan before the court today, and they will be seeking as far as his custody for further investigation. Let's get connected with Nilesh on this. Nilesh, good morning. What are we getting to know? Why has he been placed under arrest, and what is the story behind the firing round?
Hello, Samita. Good morning to you. What we're picking up that a Bollywood actor and self-proclaimed critic Kamal R. Khan has been arrested by Mumbai's Oshiwara police station. Now, this comes after the police was investigating a firing incident which occurred on 18th of Jan, that is last Sunday, wherein 2 rounds were seized by the cops onto 2 different floors of this residential building. Now, forensic analysis and technical analysis pointed out that it was Kamal Khan's residence, ultimately, which was the spot from where the bullets were fired. And upon investigation and questioning, Kamal Khan was detained and late evening was arrested. Currently, he is lodged into this particular police station, that is Oshiwara police station. Now, what sources reveal that Kamal Khan has accepted the fact that it was his licensed gun which was fired upon the residential building. Now, why exactly did he fire onto those 2 floors? That is a part that is currently being investigated by the cops. But the primary investigation has revealed that he was cleaning his gun, and post cleaning he was testing, and ultimately the bullets were fired upon these 2 floors. But it is also quite shocking and beyond understanding that if he was testing his gun post cleaning, then why 2 rounds were fired onto 2 different floors? So was some intentional motive was behind it? That is currently being investigated by the cops. At around 11, he will be presented before the Andheri court, wherein the custody will be
seen if the police will be seeking his custody for further investigation. However, what has now been said that the police is also examining various CCTV footages inside the residential building and has questioned several other people as well, with no clear clue as far as forensic analysis that was done pointing towards Kamal Khan's residence following the lead, and he was initially detained for questioning. Later that he has now been placed under arrest. Nilesh, thank you very much. We'll stay awaited for the updates coming in.